Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room, and in this week's video recap, I want to share with you the results of our smoke signal. And we had a webinar on Wednesday that's posted on our YouTube channel talking about Smart Dynamic Zone Chart and some entries that we have found with it. And this is an enhancement to Trap Trader Oscillator and advanced order flow patterns that lead price. I want to share one of the room favorite signals with you and do a little recap for you. If you've never seen this or read through this, I would appreciate if you would do that now and then come back and join us when you've got finished. So SMokE signal stands for Smart Momentum Killer Entry. This was named by one of the members of the room that liked it so much and came up with that for us. We liked it and it stuck. But what it does for us as traders, it helps us find areas of trading, where both momentum and range expansion, movement in our direction, are likely to occur. This allows members of the room to find areas of likely accelerating market movement. Tremendous advantage to all traders. But for traders that might be a little anxious about entries and like for the market to move fairly quickly, fairly early in their direction, this is the entry method for those traders. A lot of our winning signals generated move within a few seconds, even, to be honest, a couple of points in several seconds to achieve the desired target. And pretty much across the board, this has proven to be a fun and exciting way to trade. Now, regardless of your trading style, and I'm going to speak to that briefly in just a second, whether you like a strategy that just has great winning entries, or you like to do more with structure, and which we do in the room. This is a fun signal, and it's changed the game for many of our members. So the rules are real simple. We're going to find a situation where smart momentum and smart price band are in alignment. What does that mean? Red and red. And then we're going to look for a reversal bar to signal the trade to match this alignment. So red, red, red means sell. Green, green, green means go or buy. Now, to complete the setup for a super high win percentage, if that's important to you, we're going to use background color change, and that confirms sufficient order flow strength to give us a winning edge. Here's what it looks like on our chart. Let me go ahead and we'll get that out of the way. This is Friday, October the 9th. And I'm just going to show you the setup on a chart, and then we're going to spend a few minutes with the trade recap by our software that's available called Trade Markers. So all of our tools that we use: proprietary Smart Renko bars, Smart Price Band, Smart Momentum, Smart Trap Trader Oscillator, and then we have others, were developed, coded, tested, refined, the many tens of thousands of hours and years of work by World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell. If you've not heard of Rob, you can research him, and he is a master trader, World Cup trading champion, and continues this Smart Dynamic Zone. Is 6 weeks old after he spent probably between 800 and 1,000 hours refining it. So we continue to grow, and we continue to add to what we do for the benefit of our members. So If you have questions, please send me an email, support@stockindextradingroom.com. After you look at this, if you want more information or decide you want to come and take advantage of this, visit our website, stockindextradingroom.com, and you'll find pretty much all the information you would want to know about what we do in a very brief video. And you can determine for yourself, does this type of trading and method and system and background, Rob Mitchell, and tens of thousands of hours of work by the members of the Stock Index Trading, is that something you want to take advantage of? So what is a SMokE signal? So what we're going to do is, you see when smart momentum turns red, the market tends to go down. When it turns green, it tends to go up. Okay, that's pretty simple, pretty basic and helpful. When smart price band is red, the market tends to go down. We get a little wiggle here. We can't help that. When it turns cyan, it tends to go up, up, up. We're not a one-trick pony. This might be the one trick if we were, but we have lots of trading systems, not lots, several trading systems that focus on this, the combination of the tendency for the market to continue to cycle for people that, you know, want to look at a longer term. So again, not a one-trick pony. We're going to look at one signal, show you the results, and then we'll be through. So smart price band is red. Here's our vertical line that opens the market at 9:30 room time. Smart price band is red, so we're looking for what? A red reversal bar. Okay. Is smart momentum red? Yes, it is. Do I have a red reversal bar and a red background? Yes, I do. So there we go. Now, whether you want to hold this for 1, 2, ultimate bottoms, whatever you want to do, this is an entry method, and I'm going to show you the percentages of the market likely to move in your favor in a minute. It's just simply an entry method. You can decide to do with it what works best for you. That's totally up to you. So now we have a market that's starting to trend higher. We have green smart momentum, cyan smart price band, and a green reversal bar on a green background. So that's what that looks like. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay. Now let's track the market a little bit. We can see red here, red. This is green. No real entry in this chop, which you probably don't want one. But if you do, let me see, there's one. Here's a nice entry. Nothing, no buys in here, which I don't think you would want to be on the long side of the market in here. I would think you would continue to want to be on the short side. And so for highly likely continuations, this is what we do. And that's all there is to it. We watch for a red smart price band, red smart momentum, then we're looking for a reversal bar, and there it goes. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Now I want to show you a recap, and then we're going to be finished. This is for the month of October. Went ahead and actually I had more than this loaded up for the webinar, and it was simpler to take a few days off and to adjust it that way. But I thought I'd show you the whole month. People like it when we look for longer time frames. Let's test for a long time, and we respect that. So what we've done here is just a basic setup. This 15 tick initial stop loss is totally up to you. It is the most profitable that we have found for the ES, but you can adjust that any way that you would like. And with Trademarker software, you can test any combination that you would like and try to achieve maximum benefit for your trading. But these are pretty basic setups that we know over years work pretty much like this. These numbers are very, very, very consistent, and the longer we do something, the more our results tend to match this. But what we've got in here is we've got, we're going to trade 3 lots, 1 for 1 point, 1 for 2 points, and 1 for. I like to test everything I do. Can I take more than I give? Can I take more than I give? Because if I can, and I can achieve a win percentage more than 50%, then that assures me of the potential for some positive results in my trading. But what we have here, we've traded 1 for each of these 3. We've done this for 7 trading days. This is 2 days, last week before last, and then all of this past week. And these are the results that it has achieved. This is after commission. Net profit for the 7 days of 94.62. Average expectancy for each trade, whether it was a winner or a loser, is $145. We're 2.8 times more likely to have a winning experience and a losing experience trading this, just as it's set up here, okay? But now let's face reality. A lot of people either can't do that or don't want to do that, and that's great. We have people that can only trade 1 lot or 2 lots, or that's what they want to do. So this tends to be the most popular and probably for most traders and their abilities, this is the most realistic way to trade. The 4-point winner is substantially more profitable, but it takes longer and there's more resets within it, and traders that get nervous that tend to, if it moves against them a little, hop out, tend to actually back up in a situation that is very, very profitable. They tend to back up. So we're going to trade 1 lot for 2 points, and we put it in and we leave it alone. And what we see is that for the 7 days, 3,100 after commission, we expect around $50, even win, lose, or draw. It doesn't matter. Every time one's printed over time, this is what we're going to add to our account. And profit factor, we're 2.4 times more likely to have a winning trade than a losing trade. Now I'm going to show you a little management. You can use this for anything you want. On a 8, if we're trying to, if we're going to go for an 8-tick target and achieve 80+% winning results, if we go to break even, if we go to +2 after the market's moved 6, because we're only anticipating 2 more ticks, so we're going to lock some of this in. And I want you to watch the numbers, the 31, the 17. So we go from 17% edge to 22%, from 82 to 88, and from 31 to 37. Now, you don't need to trade this stuff to do that. If you're a trader that likes to trade for a couple of points and you get 5 or 6 in it, if you go to +1 or 2, these are the improvements that you're going to make in your trading, and they're very substantial. Very substantial. Our profit factor went from 2.8 to 3.4. Our expectancy went from 48 to 57, $9 more a trade, 20% enhancement on the bottom line over a long period of time. So whether you're going to trade for 1, 2, you want to take more than you give, you can, put any number in you want to and test it. This smoke signal on color is 93% likely to have an entry that starts in your favor. So that's it for, again, the month of October. Let's look at this. Let's go ahead and we can look at our daily. This would be our daily trading this scenario where we have 1, 2, 3. This would be our daily profits. Now forget this. That's an anomaly. We had 26 trades at 96. We do this a couple of 3 or 4 times a month. This comes our way, and that's a gift. Yeah, most of the days are in this category where we're going to get 7, 8, 9, 10 trades, and about 80% are going to win. And so most of the days are going to look sort of like this. So anyway, that's a daily recap. We can even show you this, and then I'll close with this. We can show you, might not want to trade this at 10:30 till 11. You might not ever want to miss 11:30. That number is consistent. 12:31, when other people say the market goes dead, and it's kind of slow, you can go in and get 100% winners with this. This again is for 7 trading days. So you can see in the room, we use this information to our benefit. We have other trades that 10:30 is the best trading time with other signals of every day. And then, you know, we can look at days of the week. We can look at all kinds of things for you to try to help you maximize or optimize your trading. So on behalf of Rob and all the members of the Stock Index Trading Room, this is Steve with the SMokE on Color recap for the first 7 trading days of October. Let's take this off. 93, 82, 64 win percentage. For all of these signals. So I hope you have a great whatever day this is that you're looking at this. If we can do anything for you to help you reach your goals, send us an email. We'll be happy to do that. If you just want to simply join us and start taking advantage of these signals, then stockindextradingroom.com. Look at that entire video. We still have a discount posted from our last or available from our last webinar. If you need more information, you can always reach out to me and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. So happy trading, successful trading. We look forward to hearing from you and hopefully see you in the room soon.